got the camera going. All right, go ahead. There's some more chunks coming. We're probably about, I don't know what, 10 feet into it.
Yeah, the connection's right here in my hand.
Yeah. Yeah, there's chunks coming out there. That way he can see this, you know, what's coming out. Yeah, it's still coming out. Yeah, just chunks after chunks after chunks after chunks.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, there's a chunk. There's some more chunks.
They just
wow.
They just have it falling all the way down.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. It's just falling down. So I'm just going to take this camera off. This is just so he knows that what we did here.
Yep.